Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Il y aura un bonus à la fin du mois. There will be a bonus at the end of the month. Ah, this would be so nice. So sad it's not true. Yeah, if your boss tells you this, il y aura un bonus à la fin du mois. Then you get extra money, isn't it nice? If I had the bonus, I would not come to work anymore and go traveling somewhere. Le budget est illimité. The budget is unlimited. This also sounds nice. Like if you put me in a store with le budget est illimité. I would buy lots of food. And drinks too. Allons au restaurant avec un budget illimité. Let's go to the restaurant with an unlimited budget. Prenez une pause. Je vais faire le ménage aujourd'hui. Take a break. I do the cleaning today. So this is also the polite version. So if you want to talk more casually, is prends une pause. Je vais faire le ménage aujourd'hui. Prends une pause. I'm doing the dishes and the cleaning, everything. Just sit down and enjoy. This would be nice. Yeah, this is also something I want to hear. Et vous gagnez, and you win. Et vous gagnez, and you win. Yeah, what do I win? Et vous gagnez un voyage en Amérique, and you win a trip to the USA. Ooh, ooh. From East Coast to West Coast, starting with New York and going to Chicago and maybe visit some friends in the South and then go all the way to California and then be Las Vegas, back to California and from California, take a plane ticket to Japan. Tu me manques. I miss you. Oh, tu m'as manqué. I missed you. I know you reunite and you are fluffy together. Vous avez fait un excellent travail. You did a great job. Hey, great job today, Leah. Thank you. So, if you manage to learn all those French sentences, vous avez fait un excellent travail. Vous aviez raison. You were right.
I told you so.
If someone recognizes that you were right and tell you so, that's nice. Vous êtes un excellent cuisinier. You're an excellent cook. Tu es un excellent cuisinier. This is one I often get. So do you get this comment? Vous êtes un excellent cuisinier. If so, what did you cook to get that comment? Leave it in the comment. Tu es jolie. You're pretty. Oh, you look so pretty today. Ah, tu as l'air très jolie aujourd'hui. Only today? Je vous ai apporté quelque chose de spécial. I brought you something special. What could be quelque chose de spécial? I would like to be given a kitten. You're cute. Vous êtes un ami génial. You're an awesome friend. Vous êtes un ami génial. You are an awesome friend. Well, if you are a friend, you won't be using the polite language with them, so it's more like tu es un ami génial. You are an awesome friend, but more casual with friends. For example, when your friend just broke up and he's calling you crying and you listen to him a lot and say, tu es un ami génial, merci. You're an awesome friend, thanks. When your friend gives you the birthday present you really wanted and you're like, wow, you're an awesome friend. Tu es un ami génial. You got the best present ever. Vous avez de bon goût. You have good taste. Vous avez de bon goût. Or you can also say shorter form, vous avez bon goût. You have good taste. If someone comes into your home and it's all nicely decorated and fancy, and the guest will be like, oh, vous avez bon goût. You have good taste. Vous avez un grand sens de l'humour. You have a great sense of humor. Vous avez un grand sens de l'humour. You have a great sense of humor. I know, right? Yeah, if you are the joking one at the party and the funny one, the one who will speak and make everyone laugh. And say, oh, vous avez un grand sens de l'humour. Please be tasty with your jokes. Vous êtes magnifique. You look gorgeous. Vous êtes magnifique. You look gorgeous. Well, thank you very much. And you look gorgeous too. Love you, watchers. Beau travail. Good job. Beau travail. Good job. For learning so much French. Good job. If you manage to keep up with all those videos, then you're doing a good job and I'm sure your French is improving every day a tiny bit. Keep it up. Cette veste vous va très bien. That jacket looks nice on you. Cette veste vous va très bien. This jacket looks nice on you. I could have gotten my jacket, but I didn't. Sometime when you're in the street and someone stops you, oh, cette veste vous va très bien, où l'avez-vous trouvée? Oh, this jacket looks nice on you, where did you find it? And oh, I just bought it for cheap in a second-hand shop, it's very unique. Vous êtes encore plus beau de l'intérieur que de l'extérieur. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. Vous êtes encore plus beau de l'intérieur que de l'extérieur. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. Guts! Well, if you're a really kind person and generous and awesome, then you're also beautiful on the inside. So if you're both beautiful on both sides, you're the best. Vous me donnez envie d'être une meilleure personne. You make me want to be a better person. Vous me donnez envie d'être une meilleure personne. You make me want to be a better person. Ah, that's so nice of you. If you can inspire people, then they will tell you that. Vous êtes doué avec les mots. You have a way with words. Vous êtes doué avec les mots. You have a way with words. If you can convince people and if you talk nicely in a very eloquent manner, you have a way with words. Vous êtes très doué avec les mots. You look really nice and blah blah blah. You have a way with words. Vous êtes très doué avec les mots. Votre sourire est magnifique. Your smile is beautiful. Votre sourire est magnifique. Your smile is beautiful. You're beautiful. If you want to hear that, brush your teeth 3 times a day. Yeah, when you make someone laugh and they smile widely and they are happy, then your smile is beautiful. You can say that. Votre sourire est magnifique. Makes them laugh even more.
Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Bonjour. Bonjour is hello. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Hey! Okay, now you can say bonjour any time of the day, even if it's night. Salut, hi. Hi is salut. Salut, comment ça va? Hey, how you doing? So, salut is like bonjour, and you can also use it to say hi and to say goodbye. So when you leave, you can also say salut, à la prochaine. Ça va. How are you? You can say ça va, like just after salut, ça va. Or bonjour, ça va. Or comment ça va? If you only say ça va, it's kind of missing something, so put it after a greeting. So, how are you? How you doing? Comment ça va? Bonsoir. Good evening. Not good night. Almost good night, but not. Bonsoir is also a greeting you can use when you leave or when you enter someone's place. For example, if you go in the evening to someone's house or party, you can say, ah, bonsoir tout le monde. Bonne nuit. Good night. Good night is bonne nuit. Person sleeping next to you. Bonne nuit. Or to your family when you go to sleep. Oui. Yes. Yeah. Oui. You also say yeah. Maybe you've heard oui, oui. Like French people often do this. Oui, oui. It's also a cartoon for children. Oui, oui and his little car. You should try and watch it in French. It's very educative. Non. Non, non. You have oui, oui and non, non. We often say them both. Just use yes and no. Oui et non. Je m'appelle. My name is. Je m'appelle Lia. You knew that already, huh? What's your name? Leave it in the comment in French. S'il vous plaît, please.
Please, s'il vous plaît.
This is a polite version, and if you want the more friendly version, is s'il te plaît, if you're asking a friend.
S'il te plaît, give me your candy. I'm starving. S'il te plaît, donne-moi des bonbons.
L'addition s'il vous plaît. D'accord. Okay. So we also use okay, but with a French accent. Okay. Hi, how you doing? When you come to the cinema with me?
D'accord.
Excusez-moi. Excuse me. If someone is blocking the way, you just say excusez-moi. Merci. Thank you. Please learn this one and be polite. In French, we just have merci. There is no short version of it, and you can use it for anyone. So when you receive something at the grocery store, ah, merci. Or when someone does you a favor, ah, merci. If you want to be really polite or really thankful, you can say merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. De rien. So you are welcome. If someone says merci to you, you can just say ah, de rien. So merci et de rien. Those come in a pair, so learn them together. It's nice. Il est quelle heure? What time is it? Or quelle heure il est? You will more often hear the second version. So, oh, excusez-moi, quelle heure il est? Excuse me, what time is it? Où sont les toilettes? Where is the bathroom? We don't have many available bathrooms in public places and usually they are really dirty. So, or maybe if you are at someone's house, you can ask, où sont les toilettes? Enchanté, nice to meet you. Bonjour, enchanté, je m'appelle Lia. And here you have 3 of today's words together. Isn't it nice? Bonjour, je m'appelle Lia, enchanté. Comment ça va? Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Lia. How you doing? And you have all of them to greet people and start a nice conversation. So nice to meet you. Enchanté. À bientôt. See you soon. This is what I should say at the end of each video. See you soon or à bientôt. Use it when you leave. That's about it. À demain. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. À demain. Yeah. Au revoir. Bye bye or goodbye. Au revoir is kind of polite. You can use it with everyone as well. So if you want to be more friendly, we use like ciao. Au revoir is only for leaving. So yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye, watchers. See you next time. À bientôt. No, not yet, because I'm gonna see you guys a lot. Bien sûr. Of course. Bien sûr que c'est le cas. If you want to be sarcastic, you can say oui, bien sûr. We mostly use it this way because we like being sarcastic. So yeah, of course. Yes, you are. Yes. Je peux utiliser may I use something. So fill the blank with whatever you want. Can I use your pencil? Je peux utiliser ce stylo. Oui. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Yeah, if you bump into someone, you can also use this one. Like, je suis désolé. If I bump into somebody, they won't wake up, duh. Mundo, go where it pleases. Yeah.
Terminator is more like this.
I'm sorry. Je suis désolé. Pourquoi? Why? Why? Pourquoi? C'est vrai? Really? C'est vrai? Oh, fine. So, if you're hearing gossip and stuff, you can be like, oh, c'est vrai? No, c'est vrai? Oh, c'est vrai? Really? Yeah. And you can use it with all the intonations. C'est vrai? So the opposite of c'est vrai is c'est pas vrai. No, it's not. Or not really. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Lia never understand. Lia says her name a lot. Or else she forgets. Happened before. When someone is speaking too fast, like I do, I'm sorry, je suis désolé. You can tell them je ne comprends pas. Or, yeah, because they have all those fancy French words and vocabulary, you can be like, non, je ne comprends pas.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.